a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Want to see?
Sure.
The cold winds howl in the night. The cold wind howl in the night. Sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse pitter tiptoes, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Okay.
Keep going.
Okay.
Sometimes Maya knows how to finish the sentences too.
The coals pip pop, and the wind doesn't. But the bear. Good job. To glowing. You have to say it loud enough, okay? To glowing eyes. Not yet. To glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse squeaks, who's there? Ready? Did bear hop in? No, and a hare hops in. And a hare hops in. Hello, Mouse, says Hare. Long time on sea, so they pop white corn and they brew black tea. That sounds pretty good.
You want to sleep in your pajamas?
Yep.
Did you sleep in your pajamas?
Mouse sips, wee sips, here burps, big burps. Maya.
But the wind.
No, but.
The bear snores on.
Good job. A badger skittles by, snuffs at the air. I smell yum-yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's
Divvy them up.
Divvy them up. Good job. Cozy.
Down and dig in.
Good job. And they nibble and they munch with a chew. Say it, Maya. With
a chew, clump,
chomp, crunch.
The bear snores on.
Good job.
What are they doing?
Gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a